All right, our evening very quiet for now. Here in the valley, we've seen temperatures rise a little bit, and we're seeing more sunshine than we have for the better part of the afternoon. 81 out at Hector International, 79 the reading out at Moorheads Airport. 78 Devils Lake, a cooler day along and north of Highway 2 with the exception of Grand Forks at 83. The heat, though, down here where you see the deep red colors, 89 in the Aberdeen area, Lakes Country in the low 80s in Fergus at this hour. Now, the humidity is there also. Fuel for thunderstorms is the atmospheric moisture, and we have dew points near 70, and that provides those sticky conditions, much like you'd experience in the Gulf of Mexico. Visible satellite shows something meteorologists watch for when we talk about chance of tornadoes. Do we really know what we're talking about? Well, here's what we watch for. These upper level clouds drifting from west to east. In the lower parts of the atmosphere, we have those clouds moving in the opposite direction. That causes a turning of the air in the middle of our atmosphere. And if a thunderstorm forms, it can take that turning and point it down to the ground. So there is some shear in our atmosphere tonight, so we'll be watching things closely. Right now, a few thunder showers exiting Lakes Country, heading towards Bemidji and northern parts of Hubbard County right now. A couple rumbles of thunder. This area out here getting full sunshine right now and heating up, as we showed you, into the upper 80s and low 90s. Hour-by-hour forecast shows that we could see some thunder shower activity between now and around 10 p.m. And this will be the best chance to see any of those thunderstorms that get to be on the strong side. We'll be watching them closely. As we go into the overnight hours, the thunderstorm chances continue, with the threat really reducing mainly to the hail and damaging straight line winds, as these will impact mainly southeast North Dakota and the Highway 10 corridor of Minnesota and points south. As we go through the deep overnight hours, the storm threat does continue, and could be quite a few rounds of it down in South Dakota and along the border. So we'll keep our eyes on the skies. If thunderstorms approach your area, know they could quickly become severe. Tomorrow morning, we start out muggy near the 70-degree mark. That'll be a real nice springboard temperature to get us into the 80s by midday. Then the heat is on. For your Tuesday afternoon, most of us will be quiet, but there's another boundary here. Hot air down to the south, cooler air up to the north. We could see some thunderstorms trucking along, but these look like late nighters, so we'll need lots of coffee. Storm team keeping our eyes on the skies as this round will come through as we go into the morning of your 4th of July. So your planner for Fargo, we'll have some morning scattered showers and storms, exiting some sun midday, warming us to near 90. And then the thunderstorm chances increase, particularly as we get into the overnight hours. Speaking of that, late Tuesday night and into your 4th of July, this will be the area of concern for damaging wind and hail in the forecast. 91 tomorrow afternoon in Oaks, 88 Wahpeton, 78 in Roseau. So quite a spread of temperatures across our area. Here's a look at a menacing cloud that was on its way to the Gatsky area. Jacqueline, thanks for uploading that shelf cloud attached to a supercell thunderstorm. So your 4th of July forecast. Morning storms could be strong. We could have scattered afternoon thunderstorms, but still some time to get out with the family and enjoy our celebration of independence. Quiet Thursday and Friday. The weekend looks like the heat returns by Saturday.
Sure hoping to get out and enjoy it a little bit anyway.
I hope you do too.
All right, thanks.
You bet.